The Bharatiya Janata Party is mounting pressure on these corruption charges that it has leveled on the Karnataka government. They are accusing leaders of the Congress of being involved in corruption on multiple levels in the state. They protested in front of the Gandhi statue in Vidhan Sauda in Bengaluru. They raised slogans against the Karnataka government over alleged corruption in the Valmiki board. And they also staged a protest inside the state assembly with placards. And this happened yesterday. The politics is only escalating. Let's listen into some reactions that have come in.
कल एक सीएलपी मीटिंग में स्ट्रैटेजी हुआ है कि बीजेपी को काउंटर करना है, ऑफेंसिव में रहना है, डिफेंसिव में नहीं, क्योंकि आप लगातार करप्शन की चार्जेस लगा रहे हैं कांग्रेस पार्टी के ऊपर।
करप्शन हो रहा है, केवल हम आरोप कर रहा है ऐसा नहीं है। करप्शन हो रहा है, करप्शन के खिलाफ हम बात कर रहा है, केवल आरोप नहीं वास्तविक है। क्या होता है, कॉन्फिडेंस गिर जाता है ना, उसके लिए साथ सभी को आना, आप भी आओ ऐसा बोलता है। वो कॉन्फिडेंस है तो अकेला लड़ता है, उसको कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है, उसको मालूम है दुरुपयोग हुआ है, पैसा खाया है, वो मालूम है। मालूम होने के बाद आप भी आओ सभी को बुलाता है।
आप आज रेट कार्ड्स भी लेके आए थे, आप प्लकार्ड्स में भी बोल रहे हैं कि बहुत सारा ट्रांसफर्स में धंधा हो रहा है और बहुत सारे चार्जेस लगा रहे हैं। इसका आपको क्या, ये चार्ज क्या है और क्या एविडेंस
आप
है?
किसी को पूछो, हम आरोप किया है ना, किसी को पूछो ये सच है और झूठ है। आप पूछेगा तो मालूम होता है, सभी बोलता है सच है। बेंगलुरु में एफआईआर पर स्क्वायर फीट को 100 रुपये फिक्स किया है, आप किसी को पूछो।
आप ये सब इशू अभी मुद्दा उठाएंगे काउंसिल में?
हाँ, मुद्दा उठाएंगे और जनता के बीच में लेके जाएंगे।
Now, responding to the allegations leveled by leaders of the BJP in Karnataka, Deputy Karnataka Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar alleged that the Congress will now expose the scams that took place when the Bharatiya Janata Party was in power. Let's listen in.
I don't know whether you all know about it. We allowed, though any inquiry has been conducted, normally it has not been discussed at the House when inquiry or any commission has been allowed. But to uphold the democratic values, we allowed them to speak whatever they want. See, we don't want to protect anyone who has committed crime. Whether it is a minister, whether it is an MLA, whether it is an officer or anyone, we doesn't want to safeguard anyone.
Earlier, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah also hit out at the BJP and accused them of shedding crocodile tears. The Chief Minister further went on to ask why the BJP did not implement any scheme for the welfare of the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes when they were in power. And amid all this, what we're getting to know is that the Congress also held a crucial legislative party meeting and discussed a strategic blueprint to counter the Bharatiya Janata Party. Sources are telling Times Now that MLAs have been instructed to actively counter the BJP in the current assembly session. Sources have also gone ahead and added that Congress has asked its leaders to reject the Bharatiya Janata Party's claims on the Valmiki and the Muda scam. ED in its investigation has suspected that there's nearly 87 crore rupees that was diverted from the Scheduled Tribes Development Board or the Valmiki Board, and the money was used during the general elections. Now, Congress leader B. Nagendra has also been arrested and is currently in custody following allegations against him in relation to this scam. So this is the latest that's coming in. The constant war of words between the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Congress in the state of Karnataka. There is an attempt to corner the state government in the assembly. That is the BJP strategy. The Congress too has come up with a strategy to counter the BJP, and they are ready to in fact lay down all the facts on the table and to aggressively counter the BJP's allegations. And that's the source-based information that we had, and this was discussed in the Congress Legislative Party meeting. They discussed the strategic blueprint to counter the Bharatiya Janata Party. Sources have told us that MLAs in the Congress have been instructed to actively counter the BJP in the assembly session. Deepak is joining us on the phone line. The Congress is ready with a blueprint. There was a meeting, and Congress MLAs, what we're hearing through sources, Deepak, is that they've been asked to counter all the allegations of the Bharatiya Janata Party when it comes to the allegations of corruption in the Valmiki case and the Muda case. What's the latest when it comes to the Congress's strategy?
Well, this meeting happened last night, and we've seen the effects of that meeting play out in the assembly today itself. We saw even the Congress really up the ante against the BJP. Today, the Chief Minister himself leading the charge, bringing out old charges of corruption against the BJP leaders, countering their attack. This is now the Congress going on the offensive, while the BJP, of course, have been, attacking them over the Valmiki issue for the last several days now. Today, we saw a lengthy reply, of course, by the Chief Minister, backed quite vehemently by, his MLAs as well, and they're quite a strong number as far as their strength in the assembly is concerned. And today, holding a press conference once again and also reiterating some of the aspects that he mentioned in the well of the House.
Okay.